Hi, I'm Al Forster with AVF Consulting LLC. My website is avfconsults.com. I'm a retired chemical engineer with 41 years experience in the chemical industry. I'm not a financial planner or a stock analyst. I am an investor who has invested in the stock market for the last 30 years. For the first 15 years of that, I averaged about 4 to 5% in the market. But about 15 years ago, I developed a stock buy, hold, sell strategy that I call stock watch automation. With it, I've been able to average 12% per year over the last 15 years. Sometimes it's been 5%, other times 35%, but on average 12%. What that means is that the funds that I had in my retirement fund 15 years ago have grown by over 500%. Because I've continued to invest at a similar rate to the first 15 years, my total portfolio now stands at over 600% of what it was 15 years ago. The Stockwatch automation methodology makes use of a method in which I choose 4 stocks in each of 35 to 40 sectors that track one another quite well over the last year. If 3 out of 4 of those stocks rise for 3 days in a row and the average daily the daily volume is above the 90-day moving average volume, then I buy into that sector or double my position in that sector. If, on the other hand, the 3 out of 4 stocks drop for 3 days in a row on daily volume that's above the 90-day moving average, then I get out of that particular sector. The assumption here that I have to make is that the large investors like insurance companies and mutual funds want to reduce and spread their risk. So they buy into sectors by buying baskets of stocks. And the baskets that they're buying into include the stocks that I have chosen, and that's the reason why the stocks track one another quite well. What I'm suggesting you do is come to my website, www.avfconsults.com, and watch 2 short videos. One talks more about this methodology, and the other talks about a spreadsheet application that I have developed called Get Stocks. You can imagine with watching 140 to 160 stocks that I've used various forms of spreadsheets over the past 15 years to keep track of what sectors to buy into and what sectors to sell out of. And Get Stocks is my latest, most sophisticated version of a spreadsheet application to do that. It automatically acquires and downloads the financial data over the internet. It does the calculations, and it provides indicators telling me what sectors to get into and what sectors to get out of. It does all of this in about 30 seconds. So it's quite fast and quite efficient. So come to my website. Hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.